In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up in Figma. We're going to set up a simple pop-up-like interaction by linking a button to a login screen and adding a smooth animation, so it feels like a modal appearing over your design. First, head to figma.com and open Figma in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, go to your drafts and open the file you want to work on. If you don't have a file ready, you can create a new project and use any layout or community file that already includes the screen you want to use as your pop-up destination, like a login page. With your file open, find the login button in your design. This is the element that will trigger the pop-up effect. Click to select that button on the canvas. Now switch to prototype mode. You'll find the prototype tab in the right-hand sidebar. This is where all the interactions live. We'll add one to your button so it can navigate to the screen that acts like a pop-up. Click Add Interaction. A small panel will appear where you can define how the interaction works. For the trigger, choose On Click. This means the interaction will fire when the button is clicked in the prototype. Next, set the action to navigate to. This tells Figma to move from the current frame to another frame when the button is clicked. For the destination, select the frame that contains your login page. That frame will act as the pop-up screen in this simple flow. Now choose an animation. Pick something that feels like a pop-up, such as dissolve for a subtle fade, or move in if you want the screen to slide in from the center or bottom. You can adjust the duration and easing to make it snappier or smoother. Shorter durations often feel more like a true modal. When that's set, click Preview, also known as Present, to test your prototype. A new window will open. Wait a few seconds for it to load fully, especially if your file is large or uses many assets. Then click the Login button in the prototype to see your pop-up style transition in action. That's it. You've created a straightforward pop-up effect by linking a button to a destination screen, adding an animation, and previewing the result. If you want a more traditional modal later, you can explore using an overlay action, but this simple navigate and animate flow is perfect for quick demos and user testing.